Hello gorgeous, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Tamika. So I'm just gonna do a little quick check-in, honey. I am on lunch break. It is 12:41 p.m. and it is, when is it? October 24th, so it's Thursday. Okay, so I think I picked a perfect spot so that the wind is not blowing, but of course somebody's coming up behind me talking extremely loud. Okay, so what I want to share, okay, now here comes a plane. See, you know what? When you try to do good, here comes distraction. What I'll talk to you about is front loading your protein. That is so important. The reason why is because it keeps you full for hours. I front load my protein just about every morning, especially during the weekday. I have my go-to breakfast, and I'm going to share a little screenshot of what I have for breakfast. And I do this just about every day, Monday through Friday. On the weekends, I do give myself a little break and try to enjoy something a little different, something a little bit more carb heavy. But for the most part, this is how I get my protein in, and it keeps me full for hours. I eat my breakfast between 9:30, 10 o'clock. Depending on how hungry my stomach is, I might do 9:30, but if I can hold out, 10 o'clock will be the latest. And I will have my Greek yogurt, and I picked the one that is, I think it's 23 grams of protein versus the one that is 17, so it's the Oikos vanilla. And then I add fruit to it, and then I just recently started adding granola and the pumpkin spice just to jazz it up a little bit and make it look cute. Not just for a presentation, but just to help me to enjoy my food, because like I said, I have been eating like this for the past few months. And this has really helped me to drop the last 30 pounds of my weight while on Zepbound, because I make it my business to eat the same thing just about every morning. Along with that Greek yogurt and fruit comes that loud mouth. Along with my yogurt and fruit, I do like to have a protein bar, or not a protein shake, but like a protein coffee or some type of ready-made protein. So overall, I will have about 40 grams of protein in my system. Okay. And that keeps me full up until I get off at 3:30. 3:30, I just eat whatever meal that either my meal prep, I should say, my meal prep, or whatever food that we do decide to cook for dinner. Of course, it will be protein. Sometimes it will be like some pasta. I don't limit myself from pasta or any type of bread at all, but I do try to keep it in moderation. Just eat like a small portion, and then that's it. Even though I am on Zepbound, I take my injections every other week. So traditionally, you are supposed to take it every 7 days. I take mine. Okay, no, I didn't finish my workout. All right, so I didn't take mine last Saturday. I will take it this Saturday. So that put me at 14 days of doing my injections, okay? Now, usually around close to your next injection day, you will start to feel hungry, but I will get into that tomorrow. But I'm starting to notice, I don't know, maybe I'm not starting to feel like my hunger pains kick in. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I will discuss that in tomorrow's video about Zepbound. I do every Friday. Every Friday, I upload Zepbound videos at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will tell you exactly how much I weigh, and how every 14 days has been working for me. But just a little sneak peek, I feel the same, honestly, and I really don't feel a need to really take any more injections. That's how I'm honestly starting to feel. But the important takeaway from this video is to front load your protein. Of course, you want to get your fiber in, because yeah, I'll explain that tomorrow. But get your fiber in, and just keep your carbs in moderation. You don't have to skip out on carbs. You don't have to be on keto. You can do low carb if you want to. But the thing is, getting as much protein as possible. And you're probably wondering, well, how much protein am I supposed to have? Well, they say you're supposed to have My gosh, do you really have to be that loud? Okay, so you really, the your protein goal should be your weight goal. So if you are 200 pounds and your weight goal is 140, then that's how much protein that you should be eating. Now, granted, that is a lot because even those who are on a regular weight loss journey, meaning no injections, no weight loss surgery, that is, shrinking their stomach to where they can't eat a lot of food. Even those people who are doing it the regular way, it's still hard for them to even get in that much protein. So that goes to show you how protein can keep you full. I used to wonder, how is it that people say, oh my God, I'm so full off of protein, but all I see them eating is that avocado toast with one egg on top. Like, child, I will be hungry like literally in 1 hour. Like, I don't get that. So what I had to learn for myself is just double up on my protein. If just having 2 eggs and some toast, that ain't nothing but 6 grams of protein with the eggs. That's just 12 grams. How is that supposed to keep me full? So switch it up, change it up. What works for others may not work for you, but you have to find out what works for you. And if adding more to your protein in the morning helps, then so be it. Let it be, because you want the protein. And the protein also helps with preparing your muscles. It helps with you losing fat, that you're not being saggy skin and all of that stuff. I still have a little saggy skin, but it's all good. But that's why you need to take your collagen and do some type of resistance training. But I just wanted to share that with you, that first thing in the morning, I get my protein in, and then I also start walking, and I need to do a little bit more than just walking, but that's just my safe zone right there. But I just wanted to share that with you, and I'll chat with you later and see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Goodbye, gorgeous.